What are you doing, Lois? Huh? You being a pretty bird? You being a good girl? Huh? Getting mama lovin's? Yes. Getting mama lovin's. While Izzy sleeps. Is Izzy sleeping? Oh, and then suddenly she opened her eyes. She's been a lazy dog today. I think she's going through a growing spurt. What do you think, Lois? Who's my pretty bird? Are you my pretty bird? Yeah, my pretty bird. Mama loves you. Yes, I do. I love you too, Izzy B. I love you too, Izzy B. I see you. Yeah, I see you. You know, it's like, but it's my time, Mama. It's my time. Yes, it is. Yes. Did I wake you up, Izzy B? Did I wake you up, Izzy? I'm sorry, baby. Mama's sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up. Was your widow snoozer? Was your widow snoozer? Yes, you are. Was my widow snoozer? Oh, Mama loves you. Yeah. Silly girl. You're a silly girl. You gonna start to bite me? You use me as a chew toy? Huh? Yeah. Oh, I love your little kisses. I love your little kisses. Yeah. I do. What do you think, Lois? Huh? What do you think, Samuel? Just trying to get my time, Mama. Yeah. Everybody's so cute. Where's my babies? Yeah. You're so cute, Izzy B. Yes, you are. What's a good girl? What's a good girl? You're a good girl too, Lois. Yes, you are. Yeah.